Good morning students. Welcome to the class. Today in class 4th we are going to do the work in English grammar. Okay, we are going to do the work in English grammar. Yesterday we have read the comprehension chapter number 17, page number is 112. You can open your book, that is page number 112 in your grammar book, and as we have yesterday read this comprehension, what was the name of the comprehension? Yes, the name is keeping fit. The name of the comprehension is keeping fit. In this comprehension, what we have read? We have read that nowadays it is so much necessary to take care of self-health. It is necessary to stay fit and healthy. For it, what should we do and what should we not do? That we have read in this comprehension. The topic keeping health and keeping fit. How can a person be fit and healthy? For it, the person must be so much active. The person must be so much active. He has not to overeat. Overeating is also a bad, because if you overeat, it means you are eating the fast food and you are eating again and again, means it will increase your weight, means you will be overweight, and overweight means obesity. That is also one type of disease. So first of all, we have for be healthy, first we have to do the physical activity. Physical activity means you can do the exercises, yoga, or any sports you can do. Even that swimming you can do, dancing, or any sports, cricket, badminton, football. Means for remaining healthy and fit, it is so necessary to be active. Okay, understand? We have read these all things in this chapter, and we have to just use plenty of water for drinking, means we have to drink plenty of water. We must not overeat, and the main is we should not watch the TV for a lot of time, because if you are watching the TV, it means you are sitting only, and when you are sitting means you are not active. You are not active. So you have to cut down the time also of your watching the TV, and you have to give that time in the physical activity. If you are active, if your body is active, if you are physically active, it means your brain will also active, and you will, what we can say, that you will be very good and you will be better on the studies also. It will beneficial for your study also. So do the lunch at time, breakfast at time, just sleep at time, just do your work, everything at the time, and you have to not watch a lot of TV and not be so much, what we can say, not to sit. You are watching TV and you are sitting only, or you are just not doing any work, you are sitting at the single place. As nowadays you are at home, आजकल आप सभी घर पे हैं, then what are you doing? It's not matter that you can't go outside, but at home also, inside your home also, you can do the exercises, yoga, or any other physical activity you can do at your home also, because it is so much necessary to be healthy. For staying healthy, it is so much necessary that we should be active. Nowadays you are at home, then it doesn't matter that you will be just sitting only and you are watching the TV. No. After the studies, and just little bit cut down the time of your watching TV and use that time for your physical activity. Okay? And these all things we have read in this comprehension, keeping fit. I hope all have understand the comprehension. Now we are going to start the question answers. Okay, I am reading the question and you have to reply the answer. Answer आप देंगे. हमने कीपिंग फिट में क्या पढ़ा है कि हमें हेल्दी कैसे रहना है और हेल्दी रहना क्यों जरूरी है. A good mind stays in a good body. What we can say na? जो स्वस्थ शरीर होता है उसी में क्या होता है, स्वस्थ ब्रेन होता है, मस्तिष्क होता है। सो हेल्दी रहने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा टीवी नहीं देखना चाहिए, बैठे नहीं रहना चाहिए, हमें हमारी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी भी करनी चाहिए, एक्सरसाइज, योगा, और हमें फास्ट फूड नहीं खाना चाहिए। अंडरस्टैंड? दीज आर सम points or rules that will make you healthy. Now the question number 1 is choose the correct answer. You have to choose the correct answer. The first is a fit person. You have to tell who is the fit person. Does exercise, eats a lot. जो बहुत खाता है, he is a fit person? No. Studies well. जो पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छा है वो fit है, healthy? No. Studies is good but eats only fruits. अगर आप only fruits खाएंगे it means you are healthy and you are fit? No. Does exercises. फिट रहने के लिए हमें क्या करना जरूरी है, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी means exercise. So your body will be fit. Second is to remain fit one should. To remain fit one should. फिट रहने के लिए किसी को क्या करना चाहिए, रिमेन हैप्पी, हमेशा खुश रहना चाहिए। यस। और देखते हैं, वॉच टीवी, बहुत सारी टीवी देखेंगे। नो। ईट फास्ट फूड, ये तो मैम ने अभी मना किया है। नो। बी एक्टिव, हमें एक्टिव होना पड़ेगा। यस। द मेन इज व्हेन वी आर एक्टिव देन वी विल स्टे फिट। अंडरस्टैंड बोथ ऑफ दिस? एंड वन थिंग मोर, दिस वर्क यू हैव टू डू ओनली इन योर बुक, only in your grammar book. Understand? ये काम आपको अपनी ग्रामर बुक में करना है। Now question number B, fill-ups. You have to complete these sentences. First sentence is here. Two things necessary to keep fit. To be fit, what are that two things that is so much necessary? वो क्या चीज़ें हैं दो जो बहुत ज़रूरी है फिट रहने के लिए? Yes. Main first is eat well. Eat well में यहाँ मतलब क्या है? You have to eat the healthy food. Okay? Eat well and be active. And be active. And be active means here, be active means you have to do the physical activity. Okay? Understand first one? Two things necessary to keep fit are, फिट रहने के लिए वो दो चीज़ जो बहुत ज़रूरी हैं, ईट वेल, आप हेल्दी फूड खाएं, एंड बी एक्टिव, और साथ ही साथ आप फिजिकल भी क्या हो, एक्टिव हों। द सेकेंड इज वी विल बिकम डैश इफ वी ओवर ईट। वॉट वी विल बिकम, अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर ईटिंग करेंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा खाएंगे तो क्या होगा, वी विल बिकम ओवरवेट, हमारा वजन बढ़ जाएगा, वी विल बी फैट। सो हियर विल कम ओवर वेट, ओवर वेट, वी विल बिकम ओवर वेट इफ वी ओवर ईट। जब अगर हम एक्स्ट्रा खाएंगे तो हमारा वेट भी एक्स्ट्रा बढ़ जाएगा। वी शुड नॉट वॉच डैश टीवी मीन्स हमें टीवी कितनी देखनी चाहिए, ज़्यादा नहीं देखनी चाहिए। वी शुड नॉट वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ टीवी मीन्स हमें हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम टीवी देखने में कंज्यूम नहीं करना चाहिए। वी शुड नॉट वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ टीवी। ओके, नेक्स्ट वी शुड ड्रिंक, वी शुड ड्रिंक, यस वी शुड ड्रिंक अ प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर, हमें पानी बहुत पीना चाहिए। और अभी तो वैसे भी समर है, अ प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर, अ प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर। अंडरस्टैंड? फर्स्ट वी हैव द सी अ फिट पर्सन, हु इज फिट पर्सन, हु डज एक्सरसाइज। टू रिमेन फिट वन शुड, फिट रहने के लिए किसी को क्या करना चाहिए, बी एक्टिव, एक्टिव रहना चाहिए। टू थिंग्स नेसेसरी टू कीप फिट, फिट रहने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा जरूरी क्या है, ईट वेल मीन्स ईट हेल्दी फूड्स, एंड बी एक्टिव मीन्स डू फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज। वी विल बिकम डैश, वी विल बिकम ओवरवेट इफ वी ओवर ईट। वी शुड नॉट वॉच a lot of TV. We should drink a plenty of water. Understand? We have just read the comprehension and just we have done this two question answer A and B. This work you have to do only in your grammar book. But your work must be in very good handwriting and in a proper manner. Okay? And you have to learn it also. Okay, bye students. Thank you.